Inflation got you doubting your paycheck? Welcome to this explainer. Let's do a rapid-fire salary reality check right now.
Feeling underpaid? Googling the national average salary is actually a massive, costly mistake that actively hurts your wallet. Trusting those flawed job board averages, you're potentially leaving 4 to 10 grand just sitting on the table. Crazy. Here's why. Averages uselessly mash together a hull care worker and a Canary Wharf analyst into one totally meaningless number. Instead, use ASH data. It pinpoints your exact job code and region, pulling from actual HMRC tax records. Knowing your percentile spread isn't just nerdy data stuff. It's your ultimate secret weapon for real negotiating leverage. And beware the total reward trap. A lower base salary with a killer pension is often worth thousands more. Don't forget stealth taxes, fiscal drag, the 60% tax trap, and brutal commutes will quietly erase your real income. Ready to find your true value? Grab your job code, pick your region, and run the cost saver tool today. Stop guessing based on pub gossip. Know your exact number. If you check today, how much more could you demand?